good morning, good afternoon. I don't know where you are, but I'm just coming to you with a video on using your leftover carrots and celery and kale and ginger and apples. Can you see that? Look at that. So I juiced this morning, okay? And when I juiced, this was what was left over. And what we have here is kale. We got carrots, a little apple, celery. And so, look at that. See all those ingredients there? So I decided to make some vegetable patties. And I thought it would be a nice thing to share with you because I'm going to add some Seamoss to it, which is going to help the consistency to stay where it needs to stay. So, stay with me while we do this. And I'm going to show you all the way down to making the patties, and then you can do the rest on your own, okay? Hope you like the music. So let's get started, okay? So, what I have here is celery, little green onions, and bell with that, okay? Right here is organic grass-fed egg. And the only reason I'm using the egg is to kind of hold the consistency together. For those that don't use any type of animal substances or anything, some people use cornstarch, some people use flour. I preferably like the cornstarch to do that with. In addition, a little bit of Seamoss in there. Hold on one second, I forgot to bring it over here. So we got our Seamoss. I'm gonna open that up. And we're gonna get like just like a tablespoon Seamoss. Put that over in there. If you want to use two, that's totally up to you. But I just choose to use one. And by the way, that is full spectrum Seamoss. It is that's part purple, it's part green, it's part gold. So actually I have all three in there. Then what we have here, this is a mixture of roasted garlic, celery seed. We have, and I love this because it's going to give it a taste. Can you see it? And I'm not advertising these products. I'm just telling you what I'm using. And this is like a Cajun seasoning to give it a little spice. And then I also use just a little smoke flavor with the maple. Can you see that? Okay. And in addition to that, I have a little basil in there for that extra flavor. And this I'm going to put on last because this is Sriracha salt. But spicy. It is spicy. And last but not least, I use cumin for that other wonderful taste. And I don't have that sitting on the table. But know that all of those spices are in here. Put that over in there. The reason that I'm going to use the Sriracha salt is because I usually use sea salt, but I'm going to use Sriracha this time just to do something a little bit different. Okay? Now what we're going to do is add some walnuts. See? That's about a couple of tablespoons of walnuts. Fresh. Everything is fresh. You say, well, why are you doing this? Why? Because this is part of a journey that I am on for the next 21 days that I'll be doing a detox. And the food that I put in my body, none is going to be processed. All of it's going to be fresh. I'm going to be doing a lot of juicing. And of course, a lot of eating green vegetables and doing green juices and shakes, Seamoss shakes and things like that. And so that's going to be part of the regimen. And so I just wanted to kind of share with you, because what is that going to do for my body? It's going to clean it up. It's going to take it to a whole nother level. It's going to cleanse my kidneys. It's going to cleanse my liver. It's going to rejuvenate my body. Also during this time, I'm going to be doing a lot of meditating, walking, refreshing, because let me just tell you, the COVID, it just took us over the top. You know, it took us to another place, and it took my body to another place. And I stay like that. I'm going to go on and fight of good faith, and I'm going to win. And if you want to join me, come on with me. Not only that, but listen, let me show you something. Hold on. You see that? Whole body detox. Whole body. Mind, body, and spirit. So that's going to bring on a lot of activity. So if you're interested in going along with me, I will send you this free pamphlet. Just let me know. And we can just go from there. If you're trying to lose weight, if you're trying to reset your body, if you're trying to just be healthy and clean and cleanse your temple and make your temple that light that it needs to be, do it with me. Come do it with me. Okay? So right now, what I'm going to do, so I've got all of my ingredients in there, as you can see. So now I'm going to make some patties. Okay? So again, we have kale, we have carrot, celery, we have onions, we have apples, and even ginger. And I know you say, boy, what kind of patty is that going to be? A healthy patty. It's going to be a healthy patty. That's what it's going to be. And guess what it's going to do? It's going to help you eliminate. It's going to help you get those nutrients in your body, because we put the Seamoss in there for that extra nutrient that we're going to use. And all of those wonderful ingredients are going to take your whole system to another level. Because let's face it, we don't put a lot of good nutrients in our the sickness and everything like that. We're going to start a whole new regimen going into 2020. Be a better you, a better you. Isn't that wonderful? So now I'm going to show you. I just did the last patty. So actually that came out to be 6. So see, those are the patties. So now hold on a second, and I'm going to get this coconut oil and a little olive oil stored in it, and we're going to come back with you and show you what's going on. Okay? So hold on, and we'll be right back. Okay?